Hello, my name is Holly, and I'm going to talk through how to use the Human Body Model Parameter Update script in Oasys 19. Dummies and HBMs are digital imitations of the human body. They are mainly used for crash testing and safety analysis. They're made up of assemblies, which are groups of parts. This might be a lower arm, for example. These assemblies are joined together in a tree-like structure made up of parents and children to represent the relationships between body parts. For example, a foot would be a child with an ankle as its parent. The dummy HBM and Seatsquash tool is used for positioning the body and squashing seat foam within a single LS-DYNA analysis. This is done by creating cables which pull the various parts of the body into the specified target position. An example of cables can be seen in the bottom right. These will have the effect of the hand translating downwards, hinging at the elbow. During setup within the dummy HBM and Seatsquash tool, you will come across the options pictured on the left. Once setup is completed, multiple define curve smooth definitions are generated, where the inputs of all these curves rely on the stage duration and setting time variables. Previously, if you wish to update these values, it had to be done manually. Now, Primer 19 offers a script which automates this process. An example here is if you run an initial analysis, but now wish to simply increase the duration of setting time while keeping the target position the same, you no longer have to redo the setup or edit the curve values yourself. The new script makes it easy to update the time values and all the relevant LS-DYNA cards in the model. To update your variable values, run the HBM parameter update script found in the script section. Note that you will only be able to run this after an initial positioning model has been created. Your current variable values will be displayed. Edit the values you wish to change and click Update. This will automatically update all the necessary values in the Define Curve Smooth keyword. This is a HBM model halfway through setup. We're going to leave the duration assessing variables as the default settings and continue. To complete the setup, I'm just going to move some body parts around so we can have some cables in our new model. Once our new model has been created, you'll be able to see the cables on the leg that we just positioned. Note that it will take a moment for the model to be created. If we look at a curve associated with one of these cables, we can see that the t-rise variable is the same as our duration time. Now, let's run our script and change our duration time. If we go back and look at the same curve as before, we should notice that the t-rise value has updated correspondingly. This has also updated other entities in the model, which you can see summarized in the lower left dialog box. Thank you.